This is solution 2 of problem 21 from the 2024 AMC 12A. So an alternative route we can go is, well, we still multiply out the denominators to get n a n minus n equals n minus 1 times a n minus 1 plus n minus 1. We add the n to the other side to get n a sub n is n minus 1 a sub n minus 1 plus 2n minus 1. Now what we can do now is we say that this side we do n minus 2 times a sub n minus 2, and then to add that back we do 2n minus 3, and then just add this value here, 2n minus 1. Now when you multiply this out, substitute say n is, well, just any value, we get 1 times a sub 1 plus 1 plus 3, and then dot 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 all of this all the way to this term 2n minus 1, assuming all values for n. This is then 1 plus 2n minus 1 times n over 2, or when simplified, n a sub n is n squared plus 1. Therefore, a sub n is equal to n plus 1 over n, and then we can use the same thing we did before, or no, n is this. We use the same thing before to deduce this value right here, which is 338,551, which is going to be our answer for this problem.